The new Komori Advanced Press that we've just bought delivers for us a whole range of new products and services. My name is Pádraig Kieran's and I'm Managing Director here at Anglo Printers. What makes Anglo Printers different or special is the fact that we're a full service print provider. So there's nothing that we can't do and nothing that we won't do. With over 60 machines here on site, we provide everything from graphic design, digital printing, lithographic printing, both conventional and UV, print finishing, fulfillment and delivery to Ireland and beyond. My dad started the business in 1983 with very little, and now we're very focused on automation, innovation. We have a young management team here. It's third generation family business, and I can see a bright future, an ambitious, bright future for this company. We sat down with Komori, who we consider to be a strategic partner, to discuss next steps for our business. We told them what we wanted to do, where we saw our future, and discussed the best possible investment for the business. The next step for us was to move to a conventional advanced press, which allowed us to run mineral oil-free inks and allowed us to run a water-based coating unit on products. For us, that meant opening up new markets and opening up new products that we could produce for our clients. And we had such a good partnership with Komori and such a belief in their presses that we chose to buy the Komori GL540 Advanced Press. This is our 5th Komori press, and it has hit the ground running for us. So the new Komori Advanced Press delivers unrivaled automation using smart technology. So it has smart sequencing, it uses KHS AI, the new PQC version 6. That's one screen now, not two. Brilliant for the operator. Quick to first print, and the stability of the press from the feeder to delivery at high speed is amazing. As we're based here in Ireland, we are an island country on the western periphery of Europe. Support and relationships with our suppliers are absolutely paramount. We have to know that if we have a problem, we have boots on the ground to help us back to production very quickly. Komori give us that. Whether it's a part that's required, whether it's just support, it's an email, it's a call, and it's responded to literally within minutes. We're really lucky to have Portman Graphic on the ground here in Ireland, along with Komori. They complement each other's support. And when you have that sort of a relationship with your key supplier, it definitely encourages you to maintain that relationship. While we have 7 categories in our sustainability action plan, there are 3 immediate actions that we are focused on. The biggest project we undertook was solar-powered energy. We have 610 solar panels on our roof, which will deliver approximately 30% of our energy this year, clean energy. Solar-powered print, that's what we want to achieve. We've reviewed all of our raw material supplies. We've identified the best materials. All of our materials are FSC, PEFC certified. And lastly, we've changed out all our lighting to LED lighting in all our offices and throughout the factory floor. So we're very focused on innovation and efficiency, productivity and sustainability at the heart of everything we do. I think if we can maintain those core principles, it's a very bright future ahead for our team.